Meme crypto coins are everywhere at the moment, from the king of stupid joke coins gone legit, Dogecoin, to another coin that has had its ups and downs, the apparent Doge killer Shiba Inu coin.
I'm going brown!
Oh, okay.
Shiba Inu is, of course, named directly after the Japanese dog breed that everyone seems to love so much. The coin was created by an anonymous individual known as Ryoshi in August 2020. It was an experiment to attempt decentralized, spontaneous community building, and it worked, soon becoming a healthy ecosystem. If you are just dipping your toe into the world of digital currency, then you may want to consider SHIB to add to your portfolio. Why? Well, here are the top 10 reasons why you should invest into Shiba Inu coin. Quickly like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Number 10. Its price is very low. There have been some major problems for the coin, most notably when Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, burned just under half of the total amount of SHIB in circulation that Ryoshi had gifted to him. This was an attempt to discourage coin creators from trying to use his status in the community for free marketing. However, the only thing that it has done is send the coin's price plummeting. Since you can bet that Ryoshi is not going to give up on his or her digital currency, it's only a matter of time until the coin starts to bounce back. Since the first rule of investment is buy low, sell high, now is the time to buy in. Number 9. Support from high-profile personalities. Meme currency like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have been getting a lot of interest from celebrities and companies on social media. The coins are almost more like a social movement than they are an actual currency. But the currency's values are increasing nonetheless because of all the interest. Since Shiba Inu has modeled itself on Dogecoin and wants to replace it eventually, it also revels in the interest of high-profile people. Some celebrities that have supported and pushed Dogecoin could likely express interest in the apparent successor to Dogecoin, including Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and Guy Fieri, though also companies like Taco Bell have boosted Dogecoin, looking for free PR. They might as well decide to do the same with Shiba Inu. Number 8. It operates on Ethereum. Even though Shiba Inu was inspired by Dogecoin, the two coins are not identical by any means. Dogecoin uses the same technology and piggybacked a little bit off Bitcoin, while Shiba Inu instead is designed to run on the Ethereum network. The coin is, for all intents and purposes, an ERC20 token, and considering that Ethereum has more real-world applications, Shiba Inu is more likely to grow as Ethereum does. Even if it is a joke coin, it will definitely have some usefulness. Number 7. It's on the major crypto exchanges. In exactly the same way that company stocks gain a lot when they are listed on a major stock exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, cryptocurrencies also benefit massively when they make it onto platforms like Binance. Binance is a very large and established crypto exchange, and it recently listed Shiba Inu after Buterin, before he binned his stash, donated about $1 billion worth of tokens to COVID relief in India. The coin's price doubled almost instantly, and while it's down right now, being listed on Binance is extremely helpful. It's also listed on Uniswap, Quocoin, QB Global, and several other international exchanges. This means an increase in the ease of selling off and buying the coins. The market will be there, ready and waiting, which means both short and long-term value in investing now. Number 6. There are almost no fees to buy SHIB. If you want to buy SHIB tokens on the Ethereum network, it is expensive. However, tying into the listing on major exchanges, if you want to buy SHIB now, you can do it without having to pay extortionate fees. Fees that are paid to brokers can seriously limit people from wanting to invest in cryptocurrencies. Large fees will erode the profits as commissions, which discourage potential investors, since they are the ones who have to eat the risk. Currently, there are many different digital coin exchanges on the rise, so there's increased competition, which lowers the transaction fees hugely. Number 5. Dogecoin has set a precedent. Again, as Shiba Inu took the bulk of its inspiration from Dogecoin, which itself was developed in 2013 as a joke, and SHIB was actually a meta joke about Dogecoin, there is a good chance that SHIB is going to follow up in terms of growth and use. The same community that pushed Dogecoin from less than 1 cent to over 50 cents in around 1 year is now trying to do the same to Shiba Inu. If you want a frame of reference for that, that means that if you had invested $100 in Dogecoin a year ago, you would now have around $5,000 to $7,000. That is no small chunk of change. and there is no good reason that it couldn't happen again to Shiba Inu coin. Think about that if you're skeptical. Number 4, there's a high liquidity ratio. High liquidity in the financial markets is about how simply and easily you can convert an asset to cash. If you own stocks from lots of different companies, you'll notice that some will buy them instantly as soon as you put them up for sale, and some that could take absolutely ages to accomplish the same thing. In the crypto market, liquidity represents how simple and easily you can change your coins into other coins or exchange them for fiat cash. It's a no-brainer that investing in a highly liquid crypto is going to help if you need to cash out quickly. Shiba Inu's trading volume has been extremely high as the price has fluctuated, which means that there are a lot of people buying and selling it. So should you. Number 3, it's popular in China. SHIB is getting very popular all over the world, but particularly in China, where traders are following the trend en masse. Despite knowing the coin has no practical value to speak of, the Chinese have been buying the coin in bulk because of their low prices and currently high popularity. Anyone can stock hundreds of thousands of the coins with just a small investment, and this increases the demand for the token. If the trend carries on like this, you should definitely consider a long-term investment in even a small amount of the coin. You could end up with a huge profit. Number 2, the skill and experience behind SHIB. As stated, there is no technological benefit or practical use for the SHIB coin, other than the meme. But it does have a team of highly experienced and highly skilled developers on the project. Yes, they are all anonymous, but it's fairly clear that the development team are working hard to ensure great features to push the coin further in the market. Since it's still a young project, there is loads that they could add to improve the currency and turn it from a joke into a legit currency, just like the team behind Dogecoin. It could indeed go from being a joke coin mimicking Dogecoin to actually living up to its nickname, the Dogecoin Killer. It is certainly tracing a similar path to Dogecoin. It's important to gauge the risk, of course, but a small investment could yield major returns if it does continue to ride Dogecoin's momentum. Number 1, the massive community. Just like Dogecoin 2, Shiba Inu has a huge community supporting it in many ways on the internet. Recently, there was a lot of talk about Shiba Inu on Twitter, Reddit, and others. Since these are the places that move the world these days, it's working out well for the coin. The social media revolution has been something that can make a worthless concept extremely valuable just by paying attention to it. That's what is happening with Shiba Inu. The supporters seem to be having a lot of laughs with the meme coin, pushing it to trend on social media platforms. If the community continues to grow as it currently is, there will be absolutely no reason left to not invest in the coin. There are YouTubers talking about it, and Dogecoin, and that is another reason that it is able to track Dogecoin's path to success. You might think that some Doge supporters would be angry at the mockery of their coin, but in fact, what's happened is that they think the joke is funny, and they have decided to get behind the coin that roasts their coin. Meme people are weird, yes, but they are also smart. Be like them and give yourself an opportunity to succeed by considering investing in Shiba Inu. And there you have it. 10 reasons why you should think about taking the plunge on Shiba Inu coin. It has definitely had its peaks and troughs, but it will almost certainly bounce back thanks to the thriving online community, potential for celebrity attention, and the ease of liquidity. Certainly, Shiba Inu is one to watch out at the very least. But what do you think about Shiba Inu as an investment? Are you interested in investing in this new and interesting coin? Make some noise in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay aware of future content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.